Hello again, YouTube. Welcome back to Charlie's House Call Auto Repair. Today we're heading up into Clarksburg for an axle replacement on a 98 Toyota Corolla. Same one we did some brakes on a couple of weeks ago. Alright, so we're going to jack the car up in the air, take the lug nuts off, take the axle nut off, disconnect the lower ball joint, swing the assembly out of the way, pop the axle out of the transmission, put the new axle, which is right here. Ooh, that's a not want to budge. Now what we got to do is get up in here. See that little notch? Right, I can get my finger in there. See if I can get my finger to where you can see it here. Oh, this is horrible. In any case, there we go. This notch right here. We're going to get in this notch and pound it straight out in this direction here. And that'll pop it out of the axle housing, out of the transmission. I have no idea how this is going to work out because I'm not where the camera is, but this is where we're going to put this, and this is where we're going to tap it. Let's see if I can figure out how to work around the camera. the axle popped loose. Get this up out of the way. And got the axle out. Okay. That's a little, little worn out. Now we want to make sure that the axles are both the same. Set them down side by side. They look the same. Well, except for that little ring right there. And then this side of the axle. Get the reluctor ring. Stand the axles up on end so they're both collapsed. Make sure they're the same height. They're all good. Then go ahead and start putting the new one in. The new one the old one doesn't have the reluctor ring. The new one does. You might have to pop the reluctor ring off, but I don't believe so. But we'll see in a second. Nut off. Double check, make sure everything in there is going to fit right. That this lip is going to fit over the seal. Alright, we're going to go and push this axle in. Straight in this way right here. Straight into the axle seal. And park it. Get it all the way down in there. Now we can go ahead and pull the wheel assembly over and reassemble it. This isn't necessary, but had it in there so I could keep this assembly out of the way. Get in there with a camera for you guys. Alright, now we'll take the axle shaft and push it up into the back of the hub. In. Everything sits. Nothing's binding. Alright, we're all good. Now you put the ball joint bolts back in place. And underneath here, the sufficient place to push down. There we go. Getting all started was fun. Make sure to torque those down. you guys been watching enough of my videos, you'll see in this tool, you know that I'm going to be giving this away soon. More information will be down in the description. Top comment wins. And again, if you guys found this information helpful, if you liked the video, please feel free to comment, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and don't forget, you got no more excuses. Pick up those wrenches.